Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. So today we are going to discuss another LeetCode problem. The problem is minimum deletions to make array divisible. So I'm not sure why it is marked as a hard. I don't think it is really a hard problem. It should be treated as a medium level problem. So in this problem we are given the two positive integers array. One is the nums and nums divide. And what we have to do is we can perform any minimum number of deletions from the nums array in a such a way that the smallest element after such deletions should be able to divide each of the elements of the nums divide. So here if we take a look at this example, so in this one we have a 2 3 4 as the elements, and here we have a the elements which is a multiple of 3 or the divisible by 3. So in this one thing I can see is if we try to sort this one, so we will get something as 2 2 3 then another 3 and 4. So simply if I just delete these two, so the next smallest element is 3, and this 3 is able to divide all of these 9 6 9 3 and 15. So that's why the output is 2. Okay, and that's what we have to do here. So here basically if you really look at the problem, two things we can easily understand. To find the smallest element, one thing we can see is somehow I feel the primary intuition is if I try to sort this, then it may help me to get my answer faster way. And second thing is when it comes with a division operation, so one quick thought I can understand is if somehow if I perform the GCD operation, okay, that is the crux of this problem. If I perform the GCD on my second array, that is a nums divide, okay, which can give me a number. So in this case if I calculate the GCD of this one, which is nothing but the 3 here, that is the greatest common divisor of this one, which is a 3. So if that number is possible to be divided by the smallest number of this one, then that's going to be my answer. Okay, so I can say this has an answer, but if that is not possible, then I can just return the -1 in this case. Okay, so that's the solution of this. So first of all calculate the GCD of this array and store it in a variable, and then sort this one. Okay, then you can see like you just have to iterate through this one. So so here the GCD in this case, which is nothing but the 3 here, okay, whether the 2 is 3 mod 2 not 0, so delete this one. Then for this again same, but here this element is divisible like 3 mod 3, which gives me the answer 0. Okay, so as this is a 0th base index, so I just have to return this ith position, which is nothing but 2. So it means that so whatever elements you are having to the left of it, those can be deleted, and that's going to be my answer. So that's the simple solution of this problem. So you can take a look at this one, the solution of this problem. What I have done is, first of all I have taken the first element from this array, and then I am putting it in GCD. Then I have calculated the size of the array. Then for each of the elements starting from the first location, I am taking the GCD of those two numbers, and here is the first standard formula of the GCD, which is having A and B as an input. So if the second element is 0, then return the first element, that is GCD. If not, then GCD of the second number, comma A, the first number modulo second number. This is a standard formula for the GCD. You can find it anywhere online. Then once that is done, so I will get a GCD for this array, that is a nums divide. Then what I am doing is I am sorting the initial array, that is nums array, and then I am iterating for each of the element of that array. I am checking whether that number is less than GCD, as well as the GCD, because if that number is greater than GCD, then there is no point, like it cannot perform the division in such cases, and definitely my answer would be the actual the mod the modulo will be the actual GCD value. And if that is the case, then if all the elements are greater than the GCD, then of course the answer would be -1. But if it is not, and if I get an element where GCD mod array nums of I is equal to 0, then I just have to return that index value. So it means that whatever elements you have at the left, because this nums array is sorted, so that's going to be your answer. So that's the solution of this problem. I will upload the solution link in the description of this video, so you can refer that one. Thanks for watching. Bye.